What's up, you guys? So we're back, and it's Lord Vontae here,
and Golden and
mostly what we got for you guys is we have a challenge, which is the 100 chicken nugget challenge, and we got ours from Chick-fil-A. So mostly what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try and see who can last the longest eating all of these chicken nuggets. We got mad sauces.
Of course, you know we had to get Polynesian because that's the best. And we got drinks just in case. You know we got thirsty.
So mostly what we're finna do today is we're finna see who can last the longest, and the person who fails or taps out, they will have what we call punishment. And mostly punishment will be where they have to do something embarrassing or they have to do something funny so you guys can get a laugh out of it. So let's jump right into this boy.
So each case brings a whole bunch of chicken nuggets. So you ready?
So right now we got all of our chicken nuggets here. We got all of our dishes in front of us. So what we about to do is we finna crack open our sauces, crack open this soda, and we finna go in.
Are you guys ready to see Golden and, of course, you know, win whatever Lord Vontae, I guess.
Team LV stand up. Alright.
No, bitch.
Let's get started, man.
Okay, ready?
Alright, ready?
Oh my god, Vontae.
One, because I'm trying to get this open. Trying to have an extra one. You gotta have an extra one on standby, man. Don't let her rush me, man. Team LV, man.
Man, shut up.
She trying to rush. She trying to rush greatness, boys.
Can you, like, hurry up?
You gonna be losing anyways. Alright, let's go.
Alright, ready?
1,
2.
Put your hand on the nugget. Put your hand on the nugget.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Alright. I don't want to eat no more. All right, ready?
Bro, exactly. I wonder how many we've ate so far. What happened? Full, Vontae?
I'm still warm though. Every nugget counts, Jet. Wow. Woo!
Bro.
Right about now.
I'm trying to make like extra space in my stomach. Like my stomach is like this and this like, bro, you gotta expand, my nigga. Like, big.
I'm just thinking about life.
Honestly, guys, I'm almost done with my plate. Like, you still got all these nuggets.
Most definitely mine's look way more done than hers.
Wow. All these nuggets just moved up. That's why.
How these niggas just moved down? Man, you still finna lose, dude. So
We might get sick.
I think so too. After us doing this, I know. You guys want to see theirs and pranks. They're coming. I promise.
Pranks. Everyone's asking for pranks.
I promise you, pranks are coming. We just have to start with this. So you know what I'm saying. If you rock with LV, just know the pranks coming. And if you rock with Team Angie, just know the tears gonna be falling.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
can't do it no more, bro.
I don't know how we're gonna finish this plate. Vontae, I wouldn't want you to get sick, so if you need to just stop.
You hear her trying to bribe me, you guys?
If you need to just stop, go ahead and stop, because, you know, wouldn't want you sick.
Yo, check this out. If you guys can drop 20 likes, that's light, 20 likes. Just tell your grandma to like, tell your auntie to like, tell your little cousin to like, it's 20 likes. You drop 20 likes, and I will come up with a dare. No, not even a dare. I'll come up with a prank. I'm sorry. I will come up with a prank to prank on her. 20 likes. You saw that nugget fall? A moment of silence for Vontae's
I know
insides.
y'all did, bruh. Oh my god, what was that?
Oh, that was the nuggets. That's the nuggets talking, y'all. Oh, now we gotta eat nuggets and smell this. Huh?
Bro, I don't think I can do this.
Man, you guys, this is death. This is legit
This
death.
is honestly killing yourself.
This is death. I don't know why. I don't know why we did this.
Why did we choose this?
I was stupid. Don't do this. Oh my god.
I feel like I'm dying inside.
Oh my god.
I'm so full. I've never been so full in my life. Oh,
I was getting to the point now, but I feel like I'm about to puke.
for real?
Oh yeah. Oh, I feel like I'm about to puke right now. You just waiting on me to puke, right? No, well, I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor, girl. I do this. This is what I do. I eat chicken for a living. Rick Ross. Oh. Wait, that was soft. Oh. Right? Oh. Do it.
I'm trying to, like, finish this nugget.
10 likes. 10 likes, she does the Rick Ross. Do it. Do the Rick Ross. Oh. Do it. Oh.
I'm so full I can't even move my
Do the Rick Ross though, baby.
Bro.
Oh. Okay. Oh my god.
Vontae's trying to distract himself. That's why he's doing all this.
You guys, you don't even understand. It's really tough. This is really hard.
I didn't think this was gonna be that hard.
It seems like it's not that hard. Like we're like, oh, you guys are stupid. You guys are tripping. It's easy.
Honestly, this is really hard. I didn't think that, bro.
I've never wanted to never see nuggets in my life.
I think this is it. We're never gonna eat these nuggets ever again.
Yeah, but I don't think I'm ever gonna eat these nuggets again. I done lost the sauce. Ooh. If you got a cough, I give you a cough drop. Pop, pop. My girlfriend just dropped her chicken
Pop.
pop. Ooh. The bars is gonna sound bad, you know? It's gonna sound bad right now. But I kind of wish you were on your period, you know? So that way you would feel like you want to throw up so I could win.
Somebody throw this man out of here, bro. I can keep eating.
Come on.
I can keep eating.
Keep eating. No, keep eating, Jen. Look, she trying to lay out the fat. She trying to make room in the belly. Come on, bro. Ain't none of that. Nah, bruh. Don't be trying to nibble off little pieces, bruh.
Just leave me. I will do it.
You see me? Taking it like a G.
I just feel like I need to
I never did this challenge.
I don't know what we were thinking. When did we agree to this?
I almost threw up there, you guys.
I honestly think I can't keep going, and I'm trying not to lose in the game.
You haven't ate that nugget yet, Jit.
Oh my god, you got on my pants.
That's how you was. Eat the nugget, man. Come on. Bro, she's eating crumbs. I won.
No.
You gotta eat a nugget. No, you gotta eat a whole nugget.
Bruh, I got less. Look at my plate.
But I'm eating the whole nuggets, you guys.
Look at my plate. Compared to his. His plate is full. I'm eating my stuff.
She's not eating her stuff. She's eating... This is what she's doing.
Well, if that's what's making me win, then let me be.
This is what she's doing.
If that's what's making me win, then let me be. Exactly.
You done picked up that same nugget like 3 times. Oh, that was almost... Oh, you're slacking. Look at...
Okay, bro. I can't do this no more.
I won.
Oh my god. Okay, cut it off, because I can't. I want you one, bro.
Ooh,
You won.
Hey. Team LV. Let me get in the light for y'all, because you know I'm black. Team LV, man. You already know, man. We won. We whooped Angie. Angie is finna run to the bathroom. Oh. Hold on.
Leave me alone, bro. I'm gonna be better because I ate all of that and you just sat there and ran your mouth out the whole video.
Man, I won, you guys. Team LV, stand up. You know what I'm saying?
I lost. But it's okay though, because I'm gonna be back. And you know, I had almost finished.
Team LV.
But it's okay though. Anyways,
Team
I'm gonna
LV.
need y'all to stay tuned throughout this whole time. We're gonna have a video coming up soon, a challenge and what? Pranks. I hear
challenges,
pranks.
and we're gonna have pranks. So you guys better be ready, and you guys need to keep yourselves updated with us.
Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, powercouplea.d. Okay. Bye.